Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Go straight to Contacts. Google. Com. Once there, make sure you're in the same Google account that stored the contacts. You'll see the left menu. Do not click anywhere else yet. From here, choose More to reveal advanced tools. This is where recovery begins. If you have multiple accounts, switch accounts now so you don't overwrite the wrong contact set. Make sure syncing on your phone or desktop is temporarily paused to avoid conflicts while you restore. Once you've opened the More menu, select Restore Contacts and choose a time window. Google lets you roll back up to 30 days. You'll see a preview. Pick the timestamp that likely contains your missing entries. After restoring, use the search box to verify key names and inspect labels for groups like imported or starred. If contacts reappear but are duplicated, use Merge and Fix to clean them. Make sure to review recent imports and exports so you don't accidentally reintroduce a bad file. Once contacts look correct in the web interface, re-enable syncing on your phone and wait for changes to propagate. It can take a few minutes. If some are still missing, open Trash in Contacts to restore items deleted within 30 days. If Restore fails, clear your browser cache or try a different browser or incognito window so extensions don't interfere. Finally, confirm you use the exact Google account. Wrong accounts are the most common cause of missing contacts. If all else fails, contact Google support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.